Okay, so this is the image. I'm gonna change it to this. Okay, to use camera raw filter to show you how to do it, and let's just get to it. Okay, so this camera raw, right? You come to filter and search for camera raw, then you will get this. Okay, so this is the image I'm gonna use right now. Okay, yeah, so cool. So first, what we're gonna do right now is that this is how I used to do my own, my things. Okay, first move to camera mixer. Okay, and let's just try all these things. Okay, the adjust color, let's try it. Okay, so let's say, let me just get to the skin tone color first. So let me just increase the saturation. Okay, as you can see, this one. Okay, I love this one to be 100%. Okay, but I'll come here to just turn something down like this. This so bright, so I will turn the whites to down like this. Okay, and the black around here, and the shadow around here. Okay, and this one, let me try to push it around here. So let's see. Okay, before and after. Okay, but I don't like the skin tone, so all the thing you have to do is that I will get back to color mixer. Okay, and then I will just turn this one down a little down, -16. Let's just let it be here, and just push this one. Okay, the hue to, let's say, -21. Let's see. Okay, so I think there's something that fits on this face and the skin too, so I will show you how to do it. Yeah, okay, so let's get to the green. Okay, and increase it. Okay, and change the hue. Do you prefer this one or this one? Okay, so let's see before and after. Okay, so let's see. So I think let's choose this one, but if you like to make it to be around here, yeah, that's your own. So okay, so I'll just push this one and just increase this one here. Sorry about the sound. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be, and let me just change this color, this one, the blue color, change the clouds, can make it like this, oh, like this. So let's just push into something like this and just increase the saturation to be around here. Okay, and this one to be around this side. Okay, okay, so I think this one is cool. So this is how it's gonna be. Okay, so let's just save it and we just get back to it again. So there's something we need to fix before. So I need to just fill all this damage, so I'll just use the eyedropper to just sorry, the first one to just point here and move to color replacements and increase this one and just fill that side. Okay, so this is how you're gonna do it. So don't mess up. Okay, and let's make sure this one, the hardness will be 0. Yeah, so I'm coming, sorry, I'll reduce it to show you how to take it. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be all the time. Okay, and you reduce the color to be around here. Okay, and I have to choose the same right here, and just make sure you just color it, or you can use this one to crop it like this, so that you won't just mess up. You can make it like this. Okay, and press Ctrl D. Okay, and here too. Okay, then we just get back to camera again. Here, filter camera. So this is how I used to do it at the time. So just move to this one too, and let's see how it's gonna be. Okay, so I'll just change this one. Let's see. Okay, so let it be like this. Okay, let's see before and after, and just change this one to, I'll try it like this to get the access. So there's something you need to know about this camera. Okay, let's hold this one and to just move to detail and noise and color noise relation, and move it down. See, I want to show you again. Watch it well. The lips, watch it. How is it? So all this mess is gonna suggest flats. You won't see anything which is just mess on with the face. So that's how you're gonna do it. Okay, so I really love it a lot. Then you just move to this one and just increase the lips color. Okay, and try the skin to again. Okay, so this is how you're gonna do it all the time. Okay, so I really love camera raw filter. Okay, so this is how you're gonna do it all the time. So we just move to the basic again, and just go to the black, and just try the white to be around -30, sorry, 13, and just try this one to be around this side. Okay, and let's say this one to be around here. Okay, and let's try the contrast. Okay, to be around here. Okay, and hit okay. Okay, how is it? So there's things we need to change it right now. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna just sorry, Ctrl D. I'm gonna cut this this dress. Okay. Here, like this. Okay, something like this. and hit Control J to cut it. Okay, to just get this, and move to image adjustments, hue and saturation. Okay, and just change it. Okay, so I prefer it to be red, like this, or something like this, and then hit OK. How is it? So all the thing we need to do is we need to clean this side, move to eraser to and reduce it. Okay, and then just clean that side. Sorry. Undo, and always make sure this one is going to be 0, like I said, and just clean it. Okay, like this. So, and here too. Sorry. Let me just reduce it. Yeah, like this. Okay. So easy, you can try. So easy, you can do the same thing. Okay, then Control E to add them again, and make sure you choose the skin color and reduce this, and reduce it, and just increase this one. Sorry, decrease this one, and just paint that side. Okay, and here too. Then we'll move to that place again. Okay, so you can try it so many times to just get something cool like this. I always love to do something which is just best, or you can just turn this one to this, and make sure here this one will be here or here. So make sure you will just add more. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna just turn this one to around here. Okay, so let's see before and after. Okay, so you can just try, and let me just add this one. Let's see, just a little, and let's just move to the side, add black again, and a shadow, and this one not much. Okay, and this one's gonna be around here. Okay, so follow the steps well, and move to the optics, and increase this one, and then this one to back here, negative 47. Okay, and 1.3. So let's see. Okay, and let's just this one could come around like negative 29. So cool. Then you add them together. So guys, this is how you need to just do it all the time. Okay, and don't mess up, but always make sure you choose something like orange, yellow, orange, gold color, something that. Then you hit OK. Then you move to here and come to gradients. Okay, and move to the start and come to the second one. Okay, that's how you're gonna do it all the time. And change the normal. Yeah. I get one. I need to show you. Yeah. Okay, this one. Have you seen it? Crease it. Something like this. Okay. Okay. So the kind is the one I just need to just add to this image. So guys, you can try the same thing. It's very cool. So I'm Wick. Subscribe to my page and I'm going to drop more videos for you to learn, and see you for the next video. Bye.